Have some balls. There's some balls. Hey, is that the Jeep?
Oh, that's the truck. That's a Bronco too. No, it's the Jeep. That's the goddamn Jeep.
Have some balls, son.
Find some mud.
God dang, man. Look at how high it is. Look at the guardrail and just how high the water is. Look, I mean, what was that one car doing sitting right in the middle of that? That was one bad idea. There was a car just sitting in the middle of that fucking bridge.
What's on the other side?
I mean, I guess if that car could make it back there, we can make it back there for sure. I just don't really like the structural integrity of that thing.
The weight of this truck.
Yeah.
We can do it.
That little car, you know, that
car
thing,
weighs like 1/3 the weight of my truck.
Yeah. And you know that bridge is under pressure with all that water.
So much water and not enough mud.
Yeah.
That's the way I look at it.
Let's take a look at it.
I ain't listening right now.
Dude, there's like a log pushed up against that concrete piece of shit.
There's a good place back there too.
Dude, I'm looking over there. It's all underwater on the other side of that. Holy shit.
Wave hi to your friends. Gotta videotape them.
Oh, wave bye. Wave bye. Say bye. Hopefully them
There's
bitches
that
don't
goddamn
look
Jeep. What the fuck?
Why you keep? Oh, they're out fucking around. Like, wanting to look at it, I guess. You can't do it. You don't think?
Dude, we just drove through it.
You know how heavy your truck is than mine?
Do you know how much better a Jeep is off-road than this piece of shit?
That shit was made to go off-road.
Yeah, you got a Jeep, sir.
That's a Jeep. That is a Jeep.
I'm lucky enough to make it to that one. It like slowly stops on me.
Stop.
Like slow down.
Lose traction.
What kind of tires you run? All-terrains, regular old highways?
HT's on.
HCs,
Nothing
highway
special.
tread.
Nothing special.
I mean, dude, this ain't that bad though. I mean, it only got up to the bottom of my headlights.
Only thing I can think of is put all of us in his Jeep and see if it'll make it.
Dude, if you want to try it, I got a tow strap.
I think you can make it.
Take the courage pill. Take the pill of courage.
You know,
Do
a
it.
coward dies
No,
1,000
You
deaths.
followed the tree line.
Trust me. I'm not a hillbilly.
I know.
Wait,
you
what
already
you saying
fucking
we
done
are
it.
here?
Yeah.
Exactly. Ain't no hillbillies in this truck.
If you were country, you would have done tried to do it 3 or 4 times.
Like we have.
Your ass would be out there just fucking.
Definition of redneck is watch this.
Hold up here and watch this shit.
Yeah, I saw y'all splashes.
Yeah, and then I had to come back and pull his ass out of the
Dude, he
river.
was like floating away, man. We had to come back and rescue his ass.
Yeah.
Yeah, like he got caught up in that little draft ride up over there, like right where the water's getting thick. That little boy got swept away.
Jesse, he got out and went and fucking saved him.
I had to get out and fucking save his ass. Alright.
All right.
Good.
At least the last pass through here, though.
Yeah.
Windows up.
Yeah.
Windows up. We're Oscar Mike.
Find some damn mud.
We are Oscar Mike.
Oh yeah, look at it. Beautiful.
We just want to go down through there. Kind of between those trees and those ones.
Dude, thank God my door jams are fucking watertight, right?
Yeah.
Or a canoe. Kayak.
Fuck a canoe right now, son.
Yeah, that'd be fun though. If you got a raft down all that shit.
Yeah.
Now we just gotta find some mud.
There ain't gonna be any things in mud because it's all gonna be covered in find water.
This is all water because it's flooded when you find mud, though.
The water's on top of the mud. It's all water. There ain't no mud. You'd have to make mud. You'd have to go into this grass over here and do a bunch of fucking donuts and make mud.